everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today we're gonna be making this cheesy chicken spinach skillet, and it's a super quick and easy weekday dinner. Everybody is guaranteed to love it. The tomato and spinach mixture complement the tender juicy pieces of chicken so well. Try it out for dinner this week and I know you're gonna love it. Now let's get started. I'm adding some butter and olive oil to my pan. I'm gonna fry these chicken breasts until they're fully cooked. Feel free to cut these into smaller pieces or thinly slice them for an even quicker cooking time. Season them well on both sides. I'm using the Montreal chicken seasoning by McCormick, and once these are ready, you're then gonna be putting them off to the side. In the same pan, I'm gonna go ahead and add a chopped onion, add some more oil if you like, and this will get sauteed with some chopped tomatoes, making sure that the tomatoes really cook down until they form a type of sauce. This will ensure a really rich flavor once we add the spinach. Season it with whatever you please, some salt and pepper, and for the last part, I'm adding 3 cups of fresh spinach and a cup of chicken stock. Move this around until the spinach has wilted and cooked down into that rich and delicious sauce. Place the chicken back into the pan and top this skillet off with some shredded cheese. I'm using cheddar and provolone. Allow the cheese to melt and dinner, you guys, is ready. The tomato mixture is so heavenly with all of that cheesy chicken. I didn't even notice there was no carbs in this dinner because it was just so delicious. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, leave a comment down below. The full recipe is listed in the description box, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on more of my quick and easy recipes which are uploaded every other day. Thanks so much for watching.